Caribou to another episode of Insurance World TV, where we break down insurance in a simple, relatable way. Today we're out in the streets and on social media, sampling real questions that real people ask when considering a life assurance policy. From, why should I care what happens after I'm gone? To, will my family really get the money? We've heard it all. These are the questions insurance agents hear every day. And today, we're giving you the straight, honest answers. Whether you're a first-timer or just curious, this one is for you. Let's hit the streets, let's hit the comments, and let's talk about life assurance made simple. This is Insurance World TV, empowering you through knowledge. One of the questions that has featured prominently during our street walk is, how can I be sure that the insurance company will still be financially stable and operational when it's time for my beneficiaries to make a claim, possibly decades from now? This question forms subject of our video. Let's look at it and respond comprehensively. This is a smart and important question, especially when you're investing in something as long-term as a life insurance policy. After all, you're trusting that this company will be around to fulfill its promise, whether that's 10, 20 or even 40 years down the line. Here's why you can feel confident, strict regulatory oversight. Insurance companies are heavily regulated by government agencies and industry watchdogs. In Kenya, for example, the Insurance Regulatory Authority, or IRA, closely monitors the financial health of all licensed insurers. These companies are required to maintain specific solvency margins, reserves, and capital adequacy levels. That means they must always have enough money on hand to pay claims, even in tough economic times. Annual financial reporting and audits. Reputable insurance firms publish their financial statements annually and undergo independent audits. This transparency allows you to assess their profitability, growth, and ability to meet long-term obligations. Most top insurers also carry ratings from independent global agencies like AM Best or Fitch, which assess their financial strength and claims-paying ability. Risk pooling and diversification. Insurance companies operate using a risk pooling model. They collect premiums from many clients and use actuarial science to predict and prepare for claims. On top of that, they invest those premiums wisely to grow their reserves. Their investments are usually in low-risk assets to ensure sustainability over time. Reinsurance protection. Insurers also work with reinsurers, large international companies that essentially insure the insurers. This means that if a catastrophic or unusually large claim arises, the burden is shared. Reinsurance acts as an added layer of protection for both the insurance company and its policyholders. Longevity of established insurers. If you choose a well-established company with a long history in the industry, you're betting on an organization that has weathered financial storms before. Recessions, inflation spikes, even global pandemics. Their survival through past events can be a good indicator of their future resilience. Backup protections. In many countries, there are policyholder protection funds set up to cushion clients in the rare event an insurer becomes insolvent. In Kenya, this is handled by the Policyholders Compensation Fund, or PCF, which can step in to protect policyholders' interests if an insurer collapses. Bottom line, while no company can guarantee the future with 100% certainty, the structure of the insurance industry, regulatory safeguards, reinsurance agreements, and the financial discipline required of insurers all work together to give you a very high level of assurance. Before purchasing a policy, always do your due diligence. Choose a licensed insurer. Review their financial strength and reputation. Ask your agent about the company's claims history and long-term stability. By partnering with a trusted and well-regulated insurer, you can rest easy, knowing that when the time comes, your loved ones will be taken care of, just like you.